So let's take it from beginning, and then we go to the next movement. So first is a preparation, so waiting for music, feeling the music, a little bit shakiness in the body already. Then once you hear count one, you go into a whisk. 1, 2, and now here, 3, on the way down, 3, so middle part or shoulders can shake. Either way, just shake. 3, 4. Excellent. So one more time, beginning. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Some points here already. So when we're waiting for our preparation, so not only our hips are moving, so here do very big circles with your upper body and with your chest to create a lot of movement, very loose, very free movement, very musical movement. Now, when we start on the first one, you can introduce a little bit ripple, body ripple to that walk. 7, 8, 1. Now here the point is, on the way out, 1, and keep this leg still there, on us and in there. 2, and our next point here, as you're doing your shake, make sure that leg is still fast to arrive on count 4. So one more time, beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Reverse angle. Very, very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Excellent. Now next one. So we had our preparation, our body rolls.
After sign up, guys, go to video courses. This is all my private library here. Click anywhere, lots of videos.